Before I get my newest hot coffee and a condiment, I was there. I was one of the co-stars. Co-starring me. My name is there, Avril Ellis. I didn't notice till today that other person was there. See his name? Doug. I began my new alleged book of shadows, a journal, calorie counting, documenting mostly all the times I've exercised, I eat, I drink. I'm hoping to do more shows and or whatever, active Adult Centre of Mississauga and elsewhere. Gonna get my newest hot coffee and a condiment. Today is New Year Day, January 1, 2022. I thought I'd be dead by now. 2006. My left wrist. I like to keep covered up because I can't stand the sight of it. I'm gonna get my coffee. What's my dinner tonight? Avril, Avral.